Here at the RF Power. This is the 2K-S here. Incredible piece of engineering. This is a cookie cutter amp that everybody's running now. It's got the remote. It's got the remote monitoring VIP. This thing is just amazing. There's a tuner section here.
It does it automatically.
Oh, okay, no, I've not seen that. I'm used to the old one.
These have been in the market now for a very long time. So most of the guys are running these at home now. This is a remote monitoring.